Welcome everyone. Children, in our last video we have seen how to create a series using ND array, and in this video we will see how to create a series using a dictionary. You all know a dictionary is a sequence which is a combination of key value pairs. So here you can see a dictionary is here. It is always enclosed within curly braces. So curly braces are there. Then one is the key. After key we put colon sign and then value. So in this dictionary we have weekday names. So key is the weekday number and value is the weekday name. Like this we have key value pairs. And for creating series, first we have to create a dictionary and then we have to pass the dictionary as an argument to the series. Now let's see in practical. Suppose what we have to do, we have to import pandas as any synonym, you can say any alias. So I have written import pandas as PD. I have imported the library. Now what I have to do, I have to create a dictionary. So for creating a dictionary, suppose I write name of the dictionary is dict. Inside curly braces I have to define the key value pair of dictionary. So I am writing, suppose 1 is the key and the value is Monday, right? After that, for second key value pair, what I have to do, I have to put a comma here, then 2, again colon sign, and the second value is Tuesday, and so on. Then 3, after 3, next value is suppose Wednesday, okay. So I am using only these 3 values. My dictionary is created. Now for creating a series, what I have to write, a series object on the left hand side, and then after equal pd dot series, and inside bracket what we have to do, we have to pass the dictionary object dict. And now the series is created, and to see the output I have to print the series, that is S, and for execution shift enter. So this is a series using dictionary. For creating a series using dictionary, first you should know how to create a dictionary, and after that you can create dictionary and pass the dictionary object to the series. In the output you can see simply the keys are used as the label indexes and the values are used as the data of the series. Here index is not started with 0, that means by default index. Here the keys of the dictionary are used as label or index and the values are used as the data. Now you can see this complete example here. The dictionary has all the names of 7 days, and keys are used as index and values are used as data. One more example is there. Here in case of creation of series, instead of creating a dictionary object, simply we have passed the dictionary here. That means we have wrote the full command for creation of dictionary here, and this is also a way using which you can create a series using dictionary. Now the next topic here is how to create a series using scalar value. Scalar, you know, a single value. That means you have a single value and you want to repeat this value for all the indexes. So it's simple. In place of data you provide a single value only. Like see the first example. Here we have imported pandas as PD Then for creation of series, we have passed the 15 as data and index values. So a series with all values 15 is created. In this case, in the second example, here we have used 8 as data and the range index is created using range. Now you know the range function, it will start from A up to 10 and it will increase each value by 2. That means step value is 2 here and it will go up to less than 10. So these are the ways to create a series using scalar value. Now let's see in the example. Already I have imported the library Panda. So simply I am going to write series s equals to pd dot series, and in place of the data I am providing the value. Suppose the value is 12 and for index I am providing a list, that is suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it depends on the index value how many times your scalar value will be repeated. So print s, shift enter. You can see here a series is created using scalar value. So many examples are there in this example. Here this is created using 8. Here we have used a simple string vowel, and for index I have provided A, E, I, O, U. So A is vowel, E is vowel. इस तरह से ये आपका series generate हो जाएगी. And one more thing is there. Here I have used a string welcome to class 12th as a scalar value, a single value, and then index is Manveer, Gaurav, Akash, Megha, Neha. So these names are used as index here, Manveer, Gaurav, Akash, Neha, and welcome to class 12th will be repeated for all the indexes. So this is the way to create a series using scalar value and using dictionary. One more thing, children. Suppose at the time of creation of series you have no value. For some of the elements you have no value. In that case, either you can use nan constant of NumPy, or you can simply use none literal or none constant. So you can see the example. Here pandas is imported, because here I am using nan, nan, so I am using NumPy also. But simply you can write none, N-O-N-E, none. Here N is capital, first N is capital. Here I am writing, I have written s equals to pd dot series data equals to np dot nan. So if you use nan, it is a part of NumPy, so you have to use the qualified name of nan. So first you have to write the name of the library and then dot and then nan. 5,7 and last is I have written none constant. Then index I have given print s. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are the indexes. First value is nan, second is 5, third is 7, and last one is also here represented as nan. So that means for you can say for none values, or if you don't have any value at the time of creation, then you can give none or nan attribute or nan constant of NumPy. So in next video we will study about just see mathematical operations on series. Thank you so much, children. All the very best.